That was nice and quick. Hi and welcome to Vegan Middle Eats with Melis Amber. I'm Melis Amber.
And you know my name, it's been 9 months.
And we are back with Vegan Cuts another month late. This is January 2018.
Yeah, it's a new year, new hopes, and new tastes. Let's see.
Okay, Forager, Chipotle, barbecue greens, organic pressed vegetable chips. Free of gluten and corn mixed with ancient grains. After we cold press fresh vegetables for juice, it's crunch time. Using what others don't appreciate, we harvest the vegetables whole to ensure we use every delicious, nutritious, crunchy bit. Ta-da!
Oh, looks promising. Let's see. It's very satisfying.
Yep. Yep. 9.
Yeah, 9. I can even taste a little bit of spicy stuff, which is nice.
Well, it's Chipotle. Alright, I've got another mushroom hot cacao mix.
I'm not gonna use.
No, I need to try these. Sprout Organics Curls, broccoli baked toddler snacks.
It's curls.
Organic chickpea flour, organic lentil flour,
organic rice flour, organic corn flour, organic sunflower and or safflower oil, organic broccoli powder, sea salt, organic rosemary extract.
It's a lot of organic.
and pea fiber.
Oh yeah, it's something similar back in the day, I guess.
It's green.
Sorry, I already ate. Yeah, it's for you.
It tastes like seaweed.
Yeah, exactly. Not necessarily a fan of this, but I'll want to see your judgment on it.
7.
Yeah, let's keep it 7. Next time.
Kala, beautiful beans, sea salt and vinegar crunch. Roasted fava beans with sea salt and vinegar.
Yeah, when I hear the word fava beans, I think of someone else, but that's not the point.
So we had some roasted fava beans last time, but it was a different brand. We don't have any Chianti.
This is better than the sprouts, but not very impressive, so I'll say 7.5.
What are sprouts?
These ones.
Oh, yeah.
The ones we have.
Yeah, I would say 7.5. There's this toasted bean blend thing, but it looks really messy. So it's just got a bunch of toasted beans in it to add to meals. But Bao Bites, super fruit snack. Baobab, the queen of superfruits, peach and mango. I don't understand what it is.
Peach and mango.
Mm-hmm.
And it has a...
Baobab thing.
The color is different. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It tastes like a fruit roll-up.
Yeah, I'm not disappointed. It's not bad.
8?
8, yeah. It's a little bit sticky though. You may want to know that.
We have another super meal. I'll let you know that a while ago I had bronchitis and I tried a bunch of these things. This one was actually pretty good, if I do remember. Because I think this one doesn't have stevia.
I don't know what that is, but that's fine.
Yeah, it wasn't so bad. It's a meal placement.
And this is mini pops.
Remember we had this, the air pops, the sorghum, the small ones? They were lemon flavored. This one's butter flavored. Okay.
That's too much. Let's share this.
Okay. It just kind of spills out. So these are tiny popcorns, but they're made out of sorghum.
Stop to have them one by one. They're too small. You may need a spoon to eat that, even.
I think I like the lemon flavor better.
Also, to say, I don't remember the lemon flavor, so.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's butter flavor in this. Do you?
Yeah, it's a lie.
Oh, that's something cool. I mean, at least the packaging and whatnot.
Yeah, it's a coconut mocha draft latte. Coconut milk, coffee, cane sugar.
But we're not gonna have it, of course. You know.
Yeah, I think this should be cold.
I want to see one more thing, but
This is
rice.
dry rice cauliflower. You need to make it in the microwave. Okay. Some chocolate with sea salt, which I know you don't like. Salty chocolate.
Yeah. I don't think there should be a concept for it, but
Do you want to try
people. No.
Okay.
People like different things, and I'm not one of those.
We have some
Leaf tea.
tea. Yerba mate.
What kind of leaf is that? What's it called? Just new leaf?
No, it's gunpowder green tea, yerba mate, peppermint, and lemongrass. We have these organic fruit gel.
Is it for cooking or just drinking?
Eating. No need to refrigerate, but we taste best chilled.
And the last but not the least, maybe.
Figgy Pop.
Figgy Pop. What is
Cranberry pistachio super snack. Organic fruit and nut snack. Cranberries, apricots, dates, pistachios, power seed, and coconut.
it? That is a lot of things. Let's see.
You are a lot of things.
Yeah, I know. Oh. You probably had something similar back in the day.
I think so.
Yeah. But it looks like a good mixture. And I guess this is the equivalent of Cesaria. Seriously. And I just tasted something I don't really like. I don't know what that is.
It's just a coconut. Coconut oil. That's what you don't like.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I gotta change my
These are my favorite.
Yeah, I think this is the only thing that I liked actually.
Let me put it this way. I'll eat everything, but these are the only thing also that I would want to buy again.
I'll eat everything but not the last one. Like, seriously.
Yeah. These are like a 5. Alright. That was nice and quick.
Yeah. I don't really feel good after this, but I guess it's gonna pass.
It's the coconut oil. The coconut oil is really heavy.
Yeah, it's...
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye.